Hi, I'm John Bonanni. I'm a City of Charleston police officer in Charleston, South Carolina. It's very quaint, it's very friendly. I like being close to the ocean, seeing the ships. I'm in front of my cruiser. This is my passion. My vision, being a police officer, is very, very important. I did notice changes in my vision. I collect watches. If I had to look at my watches or change the date on some of my watches, I had to wear a jeweler's eye. I was starting to see blurriness in my right eye, and this is my dominant eye, my right eye. When I went to the range to qualify with my duty weapon, I couldn't see the target, so I got disqualified. I had to then turn in the gun to the supply officer until I got my vision corrected with the eye surgeon. I had the Vivity lens implanted in my right eye August 5th of 2020. Now that I have this lens, it's just tremendous. The vision and what I can see with the clarity is tremendous. And you can see close and far. I could see the detail of the watch without the help of the jeweler's eye. So it's a phenomenal lens. Oh yeah, it exceeded the expectations. And when I went to the range, I shot great the first time. The first try on the range, I passed. And that gave me such great confidence. It's just great. It's phenomenal what they do with technology today with these surgeons. I'm just grateful for them for allowing me to have this. Because without what he did, I probably would not be sitting in front of my cruiser right now talking to you. It means everything. I feel more confident. I feel positive that I can do my job. I feel great that I can do any task. So, yeah, I have a lot to be grateful for. I got another chance having good vision. Your eyesight's priceless. I would trade all my luxury watches to get that lens to put in my eye. So I would highly recommend the Vivity lens, absolutely.